welcome to the Real Estate Hub. And today I'll be doing a video on how to shop real estate using Zillow.com. And this video is actually for newbies, those of you who don't know how to shop real estate. First of all, you need to know what Zillow is. Zillow is simply an online estate marketplace founded in 2006 and was created by Rich Barton and Lloyd Frank, both former Microsoft executives. Zillow is simply an online platform where individuals can shop real estate. So let's get to it. First of all, you go to Zillow.com. Zillow.com, like this. And you simply tap send. You wait for it to load, and then you see an interface. This is the home page. You just scroll through like that, depending on where you want to buy. Let's just say you're looking for a property at Michigan. Tap the send button. This is a list of properties in Michigan. I think I went too fast. Let's just go back. Yeah. The network is a little bit slow right now. So, okay. So there's a list of properties in Michigan. Let's just say we want, there's a $50,000 property. We just simply tap on it and just simply wait for it to load. It's very, very simple. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, so you have this property on 2525 W Boston Boulevard, Detroit, Michigan, 48206. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,700 square feet, $50,000. There is another feature called the Zestimate. That's if you want to know more about the property. Just click on View Zestimate. Scroll through the home value. There's a lot of information about every property on Zillow. So the estimate is $128,634, and it's very easy to use, very, very simple to use. That's the value of the home, the price and tax history of the particular property. It's loading. But this doesn't waste our time. But I'm sure you understand what we're doing so far. Okay. The 12th, 28th of December 2018. Event listed for sale. Price $50,000. Okay. Alright. That's it for the tax history. Mortgage. So whatever information you want concerning the property, it's just here, and it's very, very easy to use. See, facts and features of the property: type, single family, year built 1923. It's a pretty old building. Heating, frost air, cooling, no data. Parking, detached garage. Of course, the garage is a very, very important part of every home, so it's there. Lots. That's the size of the parking space. 8,276 square feet. Wow. Days on Zillow, 6 days. Price per square feet $29. So, and if you want to view the street view, if you want to see the street view, it's still there. You can just tap on it, and then wait for it to load. Depending on the strength of your network. The network is quite slow today. So you see, this is it. Trying to see the street. WS Boston. It's a pretty 3D view. It's a real-time view of the environment of the property. Isn't it beautiful? This is your property right there. Alright, so that's it. You can save it. You can call an agent. You can message the agent. So that's that. Yeah, I hope this helps though. And, if you don't like Zillow, there are other options. There are other real estate shopping, online shopping platform like Redfin, ZipRealty. There's Trulia, there is Zamin.com, there's Realtor.com, and there's also PropertyShank. Whatever you want, whatever property you want. But Zillow is the best. You can always count on Zillow.com. I hope this helps. If you have other real estate online shopping platform, just tell us in the comment box and tell us what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and also like. Very, very important. Thank you very, very much.